Hi guys, today we're going to talk about VEI or Volcano Explosivity Index. It's based on how much waste or ash from a volcano or lava, ash and lava, I just called that waste, is blast into the air. That's what it is based on. VEI goes from VEI 0 to VEI 8. Every super volcano is VEI 8. They start small. VEI starts small and gets very big very quickly. A VEI 2 eruption would fill 400 full Olympic swimming pools with lava. We have around 10 of these per year. At VEI 3, we already see devastating effects, like the eruption of the Semeru volcano in 2021 that destroyed thousands of homes in Indonesia. At VEI 5, we see catastrophic amounts of material, cubic kilometers of debris, equivalent of an entire lake of molten rock blasted into the air, like the Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapai eruption that sent a shockwave around the globe many times and created ocean-wide tsunamis. That eruption was in 2022. At VEI 6, an eruption can change the world. The Indonesian island volcano Krakatoa erupted in 1883 nearly continuously over the course of 5 months. One of those eruptions blew it apart, producing the loudest sounds recorded in history, 10 trillion times louder than a rocket taking off, sent halfway around the globe. It also made lots of wide tsunamis. At VEI 7, we get super colossal eruptions. 100 kilometers cubic of ash, dust, and lava combined. Mount Tambora is a Thai mountain until it exploded in 1815. So much gas and dust were released that it actually caused a lot of, of starving, and there were almost no people more alive. And now the final volcano, VEI 8. VEI 8 is an equivalent of 1,000 kilometers cubed blasted into the air. So, Volcano Toba is very, very good one. Volcano Toba is a supervolcano in Indonesia. It erupted very big that the ash got all the way into space, 140 kilometers. That's what supervolcanoes do.